What's the meaning of accelerometer? Accelerometer. 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 An accelerometer is a device that measures the acceleration of an object. It does this by using a mass that is free to move in response to acceleration. The mass is connected to a spring, and when the object accelerates, the mass moves and the spring stretches. This movement is converted into an electrical signal, which can then be used to measure the acceleration. Accelerometers are used in a wide variety of applications, including automobile safety systems, motion sensing gaming devices, mobile phones, GPS navigation systems, medical devices, industrial equipment. In short, an accelerometer is a versatile device that can be used to measure acceleration in a variety of settings.